was ever once powerful nation.
Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production. Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production. The Midway Shotgun.
Dare speak to me.
Get down on the ground.
The Midway Shotgun.
Get down on the ground.
The Midway Shotgun.
Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground.
Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production. The Midway Shotgun.
And then, one day...
Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production.
Let's get scratching.
The Midway Shotgun. Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production. The Midway Shotgun.
Let go! Capitanos!
Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production.
Let's rock!
The Midway Shotgun.
I have seen more, and it is mine.
Give me a real fight!
Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production. The Midway Shotgun.
Guess I got my swagger back.
Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production. The Midway Shotgun. Midway Shotgun.
Settle down. Hands up,
Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production. The Midway Shotgun.
Let's bang.
Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production.
Ready to clear the air.
The Midway Shotgun.
Let's go! We are new breed, building a legacy. We overcome all our enemies. We got the remedy. When the darkness we bleed with the light, can't you see we artists? Defy the light, just like ransom. We a prison in the system that we live in, so we're giving it to them. Don't forget it.
Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production.
Let's go.
Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production. Midway Shotgun.
Ghetto, ghetto girl. She's been living in the ghetto, ghetto world. I bet she never met a guy like me. I wanna take her on a shopping spree. She's like queen up and she's got me open. She's looking so fly, yeah, yeah.
Touch me, 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 touch me.
Let's rock!
Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production. Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production. Anti-Apollo Raynor Bar Production.
New breed, building a legacy. We overcome all our enemies. We got the remedy. When the darkness we paint with the light, can't you see we artists? Defy the light, just like ransom. We a prison in the system that we live in, so we giving it to them. Don't forget it.
Di ko na malayan na ikaw na pala ang anghel na sa akin ay pinadala. Ako ay lumulutan sa kagandahan mo. Ito'y mula sa puso ko, kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo. Wala nang makakapatid sa ating pagmamahalan, pagkat pag-ibig ko sa'yo yabot hanggang sukdulan at nais kong malaman mong di ka pababayaan. Tawagin mo lang ang pangalan ko kung ako'y kailangan. Walang alinlangan na ako sa'yo'y darating. Magtiwala ka sa'kin, suot mo ang regalong sinsing na sa'yo ko'y inaalay. Tulad ng aking pag-ibig, huwag na huwag kang bibitaw. Kapit ka sa'king mga bisig.
Kapit ka lang aking anghel at huwag na huwag mong bibitawan ang kamay ko. Hayaan mo, di kita papabayaan at hindi ko hahayaan lumuwa ang iyong mata. Ako ang aalalay sa'yo upang di ka madapa. Pagkat sa mundo ko nalalata, ikaw ang nagbigay na sigla at ikaw ang nagpagaan na mabigat kong mundo at nag-alis ng aking pasan. Walang problema, lalaan, di natin malalagpasan.
Di ko na malayan Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo.